Turning is a specific machining process, utilizing CNC machine architectures focused on the manufacturing of cylindrical components. These require dedicated strategies for efficient and accurate machining. The full suite of turning operations in Autodesk Fusion 360 can support your shop in every capacity, with a feature-rich, standard programming environment to help you maximize your machine's capabilities. Use the design space to increase part quality with the rapid creation of the fillets and chamfers needed to reduce sharp edges and burrs, or to quickly set up jobs by adding and positioning work holdings such as spindle chucks and collets. Program your parts intuitively by selecting the geometry directly off the model, simplifying the process and reducing the time needed to get the right toolpath the first time. Use dedicated turning strategies for facing, roughing, finishing, threading, and the part cutoff, with access to the parameters and settings that you need for each different machining process, allowing for the creation of efficient toolpaths. Choose between single or multipass to optimize machining processes when using grooving style inserts. With the option to do pecking, issues associated with tough, ductile materials are resolved, as the chip is broken for easier evacuation. Program on-center drilling by simply selecting the tool and picking the hole to be drilled, with additional settings available letting you customize your drilling processes. Decrease cycle times with rust machining, where stock left by previous operations is automatically identified, resulting in the creation of toolpath only in the areas it is needed. Increase your part accuracy with the option to add a selected type of tool compensation where required into each toolpath. And verify your manufacturing process with a powerful and dynamic stock simulation, identifying any potential gouges or interference issues before the G-code is created and sent to the machine. Make the new possible with all this and more in Autodesk Fusion 360.